Class 5, My World, Chapter 6, Earth Our Home Too. The increasing population has badly affected wildlife. Knowingly and unknowingly, man has caused much harm to it to fulfill his needs. Let us learn in this lesson that our wildlife is in danger and what role we can play for it. Tinku was sitting with his parents and was doing his homework. Suddenly he recalled something. Recalled मतलब उसको याद आया. Suddenly he recalled something and asked his mother, "Mother, do you know what date is it tomorrow?" Mother said, "Tomorrow is 2nd October." Tinku said, "Guess what is special tomorrow?" Mother said, "Tomorrow it's Gandhi Jayanti. What is the matter?" So Tinku said to his mother, "Mother, my teacher told that Wildlife Conservation Week is going to start tomorrow. Therefore, speech and drawing competitions are being organized in our school. I will also make Sheru's portrait." Mother said, "Yes, my son, your father is also getting ready to celebrate Wildlife Conservation Week." So Tinku says, "But father does not study at school." His mother says, "Yes, but he is a forest officer. His department doesn't only take care of trees but also works for the safety of animals." Tinku says, "Papa, will you also make paintings?" So Papa says, "No, Tinku. Paintings, songs, poem recitations, speech competitions are only the ways to celebrate. Actually, the aim of that day or week is to make people aware of a particular subject." Tinku says, "But what are you going to make people aware of during this week?" To which Papa says, "About all wild animals. Tinku, tomorrow you may come to know that many animal species have become extinct." Extinct means they have vanished. They don't exist anymore. A species is basically a nasal, a particular type, and extinct means something that has ceased to exist, something that has stopped existing, something that you cannot find anywhere in the world anymore. For example, you must have heard of a lot of animals like the mammoth. There are a lot of animals from the cat family also, and a lot of animals. Let's go with the lesson. About all wild animals, Tinku, tomorrow you may come to know that many animal species have become extinct and many are on the verge of extinction. On the verge of extinction मतलब खत्म होने वाली हैं अब. The saddest part is that human beings are responsible for this. Our national animal, tiger, is also in danger. Decreasing number and extinction of animals is a matter of great worry. Let us learn what are the reasons for the extinction of these animals. Shortage of habitat. Man damages the natural habitat of animals for the construction of buildings and roads, so they become prey to other animals roaming here and there. They are also killed if they enter human colonies. आपने सुना होगा आसपास कई बारी न्यूज़ आती है ना कि इस शहर में शेर देखा गया, जलंधर की न्यूज़ आई या सिटीज़ की और भी न्यूज़ आती रहती है. वो क्यों होता है? क्योंकि उनकी तो नेचुरल हैबिटेट है वो तो हमने ऑलरेडी उनसे डिक्रीज़ कर दी है, कम कर दी है. बार बार हर जगह कोई ना कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन बना के कोई ना कोई रोड न्यू कंस्ट्रक्ट करते. जब रोड कंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं तो रोड्स कहाँ से जाती हैं, नई टनल्स कहाँ से जाती हैं? कई बारी जंगल से होके जाती हैं, इनके नेचुरल हैबिटेट से होके जाती हैं. तो एनिमल्स के कई बारी एक्सीडेंट्स हो जाते हैं, कई बारी वो सिटी की तरफ आ जाते हैं और फिर ह्यूमंस अपने डिफेंस में उनको मार देते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है scarcity of food. Scarcity मतलब shortage. Because of scarcity of food, animals become weak and sick and then they die. Scarcity of food. Change in climatic conditions. The animals cannot tolerate the sudden change in climate, so they meet their death. Natural calamities. The animals die in a large number due to floods, forest fire, drought. फॉरेस्ट फायर कई बारी गर्मियों से जंगलों में आग लग जाती है. आपने न्यूज़ में भी देखा होगा. वैष्णो देवी के आसपास भी आग लग जाती है कई बारी। अगर आपने एग्जाम्पल देखना हो तो न्यूज़ में देखना, वैष्णो देवी के आसपास कुछ पहाड़ों में इतनी गर्मी होती है, और भी बहुत जंगलों में। ऑस्ट्रेलिया की न्यूज़ होगी, आपने देखी होगी। अनलिमिटेड हंटिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स, their number has decreased because of unlimited hunting by human beings. In this way, there are many reasons that result in the decreasing number of animals. Humans क्यों इनको हंट करते हैं भैया? ये क्या बात हुई? ह्यूमंस इसलिए हंट करते हैं कई बारी मीट के लिए, कई बारी शौक के लिए, जस्ट फॉर फन, जस्ट फॉर गेम, हंटिंग एज अ गेम। कई बारी उनके इम्पॉर्टेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स को रिमूव करके बेचने के लिए। टाइगर की स्किन बड़ी एक्सपेंसिव होती है बिकॉज इट इज़ अ रेयर एनिमल एंड इट इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एनिमल। तो उसकी कई जगह, मोस्ट कंट्रीज़ में बैंड है, बट जो पोचर्स होते हैं, जो इलीगल हंटर्स होते हैं, वो इलीगल हंटिंग करते हैं और इनकी स्किन बेचते हैं। राइनोसरस के हॉर्न्स बेचते हैं, एलिफेंट्स के टस्क्स बेचते हैं, टाइगर के दांत और स्किन बेचते हैं। ऐसे ही बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को पोचिंग करके भी मार देते हैं। अनलिमिटेड hunting of animals. These 5 points are very important. We'll quickly go through them once again. Shortage of habitat, scarcity of food, change in climatic conditions, natural calamities, and unlimited hunting of animals. ड्राउट होता है, सूखा नेचुरल कैलामिटीज़ में। फ्लड आपको पता है, बाढ़ होती है। फॉरेस्ट फायर इज़ जंगल की आग। अनलिमिटेड हंटिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स भी हमने एट लेंथ डिस्कस कर लिया है, सो वील मूव अहेड नाउ। टाइगर इज़ द नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया. It is the biggest member of the cat family and a skillful hunter. It can weigh up to 300 kgs. It is brownish yellow in color and its chest is white. It has black stripes on its body. Many people do not know the difference between lion, tiger, and leopard. They take lion and tiger as the same animal. Let us see the picture of all the three and try to differentiate. Okay, for now we look at these pictures, but don't forget, at the end of this video I am going to share some very interesting information about all these animals, all these three at least: tiger, leopard, lion, even cheetah, and a few more from the cat family. अभी के लिए देखते हैं. The tiger has brownish yellowish orangish color with black stripes. The leopard has spot like things. These are actually called rosettes. It's like a flower shaped spot. We'll have a look at it at the end of this video. I'll share a few pictures. And a lion has a clean body, not a very hairy body, a solid color, brownish yellow. And in the males, they have a mane around their neck, around their head. Mane is this beard type thing. Okay, I'll share more information about these animals at the end of this video. For now, we'll stick to the chapter, but that's going to be an interesting part, so don't miss that. Let's move to the next page. Page 34. Teacher can tell students that there are black stripes. We have already ये strips को stripes कर दो, STRIPES, on tiger's body. Leopard's body is marked with black dots, whereas lion doesn't have any of these marks. Lion has thick mane around its neck. We already discussed this. So, the smelling power of a tiger is very strong. The tiger has its own fixed area which can be 10 to 20 kilometers. This area depends upon the availability of food. मतलब अगर उसको खाना पास मिल जाए, आराम से मिल जाए, तो वो इतने ज़्यादा एरिया में नहीं घूमेगा. लेकिन अगर उसको आसपास खाना नहीं मिलेगा तो उसको ज़्यादा बड़ी टेरिटरी में रहना पड़ेगा. टाइगर्स चिल्ड्रन लिव अलोन. टाइगर्स डोंट लिव like lions. Lions live together, but tigers live alone. Lions have a pride. A group of lions is called a pride. The smelling power of tiger is very strong. It has its own fixed area which can be 10 to 20 kilometers. This area depends upon the availability of food. Tiger leaves the smell of its urine to mark its territory. This smell alerts other tigers. So it tells the other tigers not to come into its territory by leaving its mark by urinating at different areas in its territory. The hearing power of a tiger is also very amazing. It can distinguish between the rattling sound of leaves and the sound produced by animals hidden in the bushes. It can move both ears in different directions to hear far off sounds. Isn't it amazing? Its roar can be heard at far off places, up to 3 kilometers. A tiger can also change its voice according to the situation. It doesn't mean that it can take out the sound of other animals, but yes, it can have modulations and it can make different sounds. Its eyes are able to see easily at night. It can see 6 times better than humans. Isn't it an amazing animal? Can you see in the dark? टाइगर्स whiskers, whiskers क्या होती हैं? ये मूछें टाइप, देख रहे हो? थिक थिक बाल ऑन द मजल, ये हैं whiskers. These whiskers, tiger's whiskers, help to find and locate the prey at night. Prey मतलब शिकार. Its whiskers feel the vibrations caused in the air to locate position of the prey. Many other animals use this efficiency to catch their prey, to assess the danger, and to find the way to their destination. Can you name such animals? Cat is one of its examples. Tiger also belongs to the cat family. Despite being skillful and active, tiger is becoming prey to some greedy people. Its striped body, इसको striped कर लो please. It is STRIPED. Striped means धारियों वाली. Its striped body looks very attractive. Expensive coats, bags, and other wearable items are made from the hide of the tiger. Some superstitious people kill tigers for black magic. In 1900, there were 1 lakh tigers in the world. Today, number of tigers in the world is reduced to 3,890. In 2008, there were 1,411 tigers in India. Government has taken many steps to protect these animals. Project Tiger is one of them. What is Project Tiger? On April 1st, 1973, Project Tiger was started. The main aim of this project was to mark the safety area and to ban the hunting of tigers. क्या करते थे कि टाइगर्स को एक सेफ एरिया दे देते थे कि इसके अंदर हंटिंग का हम ध्यान रखेंगे कि इसके अंदर कोई हंटर्स या पोचर्स ना आए और ये एनिमल्स के लिए ही सिर्फ एरिया रहे, सिर्फ टाइगर्स के लिए रहे. एक नेचुरल हैबिटेट उनको प्रोवाइड किया जाए जहाँ सिर्फ उनके लिए एरिया ही नहीं हो, ऐसे और एनिमल्स भी हों जिन पे वो फीड कर सकें, और उन एनिमल्स के लिए ग्रीनरी, उनके लिए नेचुरल हैबिटेट हो, और बहुत सारी स्पीशीज़, बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को भी इन प्रोजेक्ट्स के अंडर सेफ्टी मिली. The 9 areas brought under this project were Jim Corbett in Uttarakhand, Ranthambore in Rajasthan, Palamau in Bihar, Kanha in MP, Sundarbans in West Bengal, Melaghat in Maharashtra, Simplipal in Odisha, Manas in Assam, Bandipur in Karnataka. You'll have to learn these names. It's good to know these names. This project ensures full protection of tigers in these areas with suitable living conditions and the right amount of food and water for their survival. Today, these areas have increased from 9 to 50. Let's say what activity 1 says here in the pink box. You can also help in protecting your national animal. Learn how. You can make Tiger Club in your school. This Tiger Club can do many things. You can make your parents, friends, and other people aware by discussing about the endangered existence of tiger. Endangered existence मतलब उसकी existence जिसको खतरा है, वो extinction की verge पे है. You can start letter writing program in which you can write letters to different people to inspire them about the safety of tigers and motivate them to avoid buying products made from the hide of tigers. हाइड क्या होती है? बेसिकली स्किन. इट्स थिकर फॉर्म बट हाइड इज स्किन, जिससे लेदर बनता है. यू कैन हेल्प by collecting funds for Project Tiger. You can also help by creating awareness about the danger of existence to some other animals by forming a club. For which animal would you like to create a club? This you can discuss with your friends whenever you get time. अभी हम चलते हैं आगे. In the year 1951, Shri Martand Dev, the Maharaja of Rewa, saw a strange baby cub during hunting. He took the cub with him to his palace. He named it Mohan. When the cub grew up, its color was totally white. Today, all white tigers of world are successors of Tiger Mohan. In this way, white tiger is India's valuable gift to the whole world. We'll skip the blue box, it's for teachers. We move to the next paragraph. Some more birds are also facing the danger of extinction. हाउस स्पैरो इज़ वन ऑफ देम. देखा है ना, पहले चिड़िया बहुत कॉमनली दिखाई देती थी. अगर आप में से किसी ने नहीं देखी है कभी भी तो आप अपने मम्मी पापा को पूछना, वो आपको बताएंगे चिड़िया छोटी सी होती थी और घरों में बहुत कॉमनली मिलती थी, पंखों के ऊपर और खिड़कियों के पास, रोशनदान पे, वेंटिलेटर्स के पास, कूलर के पास, प्लांट्स में, लॉन्स में. हाउस स्पैरो इज़ वन ऑफ दीज बर्ड्स that is facing danger of extinction. The main reason behind their declining number is the destruction of their habitat. In the past, there were kacha houses in which they made their nests, but nowadays, all houses are made of pakka bricks and sand, leaving no space for their nests. Now we are familiar with the smelling and hearing power of tiger and its assessment of danger. The birds also have an immense power to assess danger. They feel earthquake prior to humans. मतलब earthquake humans को पता लगे उससे पहले ही birds को पता लग जाता है. Interesting facts. Cats are no way behind. Cats have vision equal to humans during daytime, but in dim light they possess vision 6 times better than humans. I told you, tiger also belongs to the cat family. They have better smelling power as compared to us. Cats sleep for 16 to 18 hours in day but remain alert about nearby dangers even in their sleep. Cats cannot feel sweet taste. कितने interesting facts हैं. Puzzle. In this puzzle, a picture is cut to many pieces in such a way that you have to think a lot to rearrange these pieces. To make this kind of puzzle, paste the photo of a particular animal on cardboard and then cut into pieces. Get the answer to this puzzle by rearranging the pieces in right order. You can do this at home if you like. Postal Department issues postal stamps of different animals from time to time. You can collect these postal stamps. Stamp collection is a very old and very popular hobby, children. You can try doing this. See, here are shown a few examples of postal stamps with pictures of animals also. Things to remember. Wildlife Conservation Week is celebrated from 1st October. Tiger is the national animal of India. The birds sense dangers like earthquake prior to humans. White tiger is India's valuable gift to the whole world. Now you have question 3, fill in the blanks. Tiger is a member of the dash family. I've spoken this a lot of times during the lesson. It's written also. There are dash on a tiger's body and leopard's body is covered with dash. Very easy. I think children, you can do these questions. You can attempt both question 3 and 4 on your own. They are very easy. All the answers are hidden in the chapter, most of which I have also highlighted. Page 39 and 40 are also exercises which you will be able to do very easily because we've read the chapter very thoroughly. And now, as per our commitment, we will talk a bit about these beautiful animals, the cat family. Let's talk about tigers, lions, and leopards. A tiger, we've already discussed what it looks like. Did you know that tiger is the biggest of all cats? Tiger is much bigger in size compared to the leopard and relatively still bigger in size compared to the lion. Did you also know that tigers live alone in the jungle and are much more strong? They are much stronger than lions, physically also. It is said that one single blow of the tiger's front paw can break a skull. One single blow. If a tiger is clearly much stronger than the lion, then why is lion the king of the jungle? A tiger lives alone in the jungle. Alone. A tiger never lives with more tigers. It has its own territory and he occupies his area and does not like any interference of other tigers in that area. Whereas, when we talk about lions, lions live in groups. They are called pride, a pride of lions. These that you see here in the video are lionesses, female lions. See, they don't have a mane around them, but they are together. One or more lions can live together, and that is called a pride. We already discussed that a tiger is much stronger, faster, and much more ferocious than a lion, and bigger in size. But the lion is called the king of the jungle because the lion takes care of its pride. It takes care of its family. It has responsibility. So it's called the king of the jungle. There is so much we can discuss about these beautiful animals from the cat family. We will discuss all that in a different video some other time. But for right now, I leave you with your books, study hard, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you. Have a good day.